Hi, it's me, Marie. I'm wearing Rapunzel socks. Let's make a video.
I'm wearing blue wool socks. They're for hiking.
So this is my friend Riley. So today I'm going to be doing on Riley a non-binary makeup look, and this is something that I have done with them before, but it's something that I wanted to put out there because I was doing a little bit of research when I was doing makeup with them before, and I haven't found a lot of like non-binary makeup looks out there on the internet.
We, through talking about what I wanted, found very little resources on the internet for non-binary looks. It was kind of Marie's idea, but I loved it too, to do a video together where we're just kind of capitalizing on the fact that I identify as non-binary, masculine and feminine. Like, there are things that you can manipulate with makeup, along that track that, we just don't see on the internet.
And as I do this today, I'm going to be using language and makeup techniques that are correct for Riley, and this might not be correct for everyone, but hopefully this will be helpful to someone out there. The look that we decided on was, we're calling this
Gay merman comes out to family and then he's going to the beach.
So,
because they can go to the beach.
I'm going to start by using a little bit of concealer, and we're just going to put this in the places where you normally put concealer, which is going to be under the eyes here.
Oh yeah.
I'm going to take my beauty blender and we're gonna blend. And now I'm going to do some contour, and this is one of the things that I find when I do Riley's makeup really helps.
Because I have more feminine features, it helps to sort of even out some of my more softer features, so I look more androgynous.
I'm just gonna do a sort of line down here, and everything is going to be a little bit sharper than when I contour things on myself. So the cheekbone here is going to be kind of like a square shape. I'm also going to contour the natural jawline a little bit just to make it pop some more. And then I'm going to contour a little bit above the eyebrows right through here and here.
It gives it a more sharp look.
Yeah. When I contour on myself, I'll usually do contour right through here, but on Riley we're going to do it on the sides right here to give the forehead more of a square shape. Okay, and now I'm just gonna blend everything a little bit because we got some spots where they need some blended. So I'm just gonna go through and do that. But now we're gonna do what we call eyebrows. And these are
eyebrows.
Eyebrows.
But on rye.
But on rye. And I'm gonna make them a little bit thicker and yeah, not quite as defined like I do mine, but more bushy brows.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna start by just lining where the brow is. And then on the top, I'm gonna take it up a little bit, and I'm gonna go with the eyebrow hair and just sort of like I'm coloring it. Take this little eyebrow brush and we're just gonna brush them up. This also helps to blend some of the filling in of the eyebrow as well. Now we're gonna use some brow gel to make sure that the eyebrows stay where we want them to stay. And I'm just gonna take some of this and very lightly, especially on the tops of the brow, just brush upward. And there we have one eyebrow.
One eyebrow.
I'm just gonna take a concealer brush and go in and clean up a couple of spots where I got colored outside of the lines. Alright, now I'm gonna do the other eyebrow. Okay, so I finished both the eyebrows. They're looking
If I was not
Okay.
blonde, I would just look like how I looked as like a 7-year-old.
I find that the bushy eyebrow look is something that also
It
helps
is.
the androgeneity of the look.
Many feminine makeup looks, at least recently, have been like they stress like a thin, clean eyebrow, and usually you don't see like a lot of women with just like bushy eyebrows. So because I am like more feminine in the face, it helps kind of like put it more towards the middle.
So I'm going to start with my crease brush and this sort of light purple gray color, and we're just going to put that all over the lid. Next, I'm going to take the concealer and the concealer brush, and I'm going to put a little bit on the inner corner lid, and that will give us a nice base to put some eyeshadow on. I'm going to take this fun, sequin glitter is what it's called, from Sephora, and it's this kind of bluish, greenish, silver, it's a lot of things, I think. And that's what I'm going to put on top of the concealer that we just put on the lid. So we got this pretty silvery color all over the lid. What I'm gonna do next is I'm going to take my favorite palette, the Princess palette. You guys know how much I like this one. And I'm going to go in with Magic Carpet, and I'm gonna put that in the outer corners a little bit. It's just gonna darken it and make it a little bit more dimensional. We're gonna do some eyeliner, as requested by Riley, as if their eyes could smile. So I just did a little bit of a point that came out from the end of their upper lid, and we're just gonna connect that to the center of the eyelid. Okay, so we've got just a little bit of eyeliner, just kind of adds something to the look. I'm gonna clean up the underneath the eyeliner with some concealer because we had a little bit of spillage with
It happens to me every single time. My damn cheekbones, look at it.
It's true.
They jut out of my face.
It's true. And our next step is highlighter. And I'm going to use my favorite purple highlighter, which is NYX's illuminating powder. I'm gonna take my fan brush and I'm just gonna brush it a little bit along the cheekbone, a little bit on the nose. We finished the highlight, just kind of a purpley glow. Yeah. And our last step here is going to be some of this purpley NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. I'm just gonna put that on the lips, and that will complete our look. And on top of that, I'm going to use my Rose Quartz ColourPop Crystal Lip Balm to give it a little bit of a shimmer. To set our look, we're going to use NYX's Matte Finishing Spray.
This is a full...
And here's our finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know Riley and I enjoyed making it. If you liked this and want to see more videos like this, please let us know. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below, and ring that bell so you never miss when I post.
Stay tuned for some funny bloopers.
Thanks for watching.
Bye. Who is that? Who could they be? Do you think that elephant's noses tickle? There's someone walking outside who just has so much purpose. So, Agave!
Oh.
She's fake.
This train has ruined so many shots.